Video, we are going to learn how to use smart short clips from Wondershare Filmora. So you need to have a premium access. Uh, Once you are logged in, you click on Smart Short Clips, and then you have to upload your video file. So you cannot use a YouTube link or anything unless you want to use your own YouTube related video, which you can directly import from YouTube, or else if you're using someone else's video, then you need to download the video first through YouTube downloader or something, and then you upload the video here. So I have tried that, and once you upload that video, it will take somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes based on the length of your video, and then it will generate the record like this. So I'm gonna show you the example which I have already ran. So it will create four different videos. So this is the first video, this is the second video, this is the third video. So every time it generates four different videos. So what I typically do is, and they have also rated, and you can see the caption around it. And this is like 2 minute 55 seconds. So you also get an option to select when you when you upload the file. It also asks you what kind of theme you want to select. So I selected like more than 180 seconds. So that's why I'm getting 3 minutes. I'm looking to do further shorts. So then what I do is I go and edit each of the video to make a little bit of changes to match my own theme. So for example, here I would like to change the caption. So I think I like my caption like this. Caption like this. So I'll apply to all. So now you can see it's already. So you can decide how much you want. Maybe if you want to add some other things, you can always add different media, stock, audio titles. But for me, I already know this is good enough. This is 2 hour 50 second, 2 minutes 50 seconds. There is a one quick thing that I like doing is, for example, here I see the logo. So what you can do is you can select the video, and then you can from layout from the video section split screen. Right now it's filled, so maybe you can do to fit, and then you can see the whole thing. And from fit you can zoom in, and then that's done. So okay, it's here also, it's there. So I will do fit, and then I can zoom in a little bit, and that's it. So yeah, you can do all the different screens. Again, select on the video, and then do the fit, and then maybe you can uh, zoom in, move things around however you would like. You can zoom in more if you would like. Now it looks better. So once this is done, you can also create your thumbnail here. I have already selected my thumbnail. There are some presets that you should use, but I created my own template, and I put the text, and then I save as a thumbnail as well. And then when you go to and then you can export. Usually I like to export to my local and give it a name. And then I also do the highlight and then export. So this way I edit the videos, make sure everything is good, and then export it.